Welcome, I'm Wanda Henry, and we're going to show you how to have fun with a budget decorating. Sometimes it's so easy to be stressed and worry about what you cannot do, and we're going to show you what you can do.
Previously on Bridal Your Way.
You each have a table. You have a $15 limit, and then you're going to have a 10-minute setup.
So scale that.
Can we put bread on the table? To get these, we have to get this.
Changing it on the fly. 7 minutes. Go. Sorry.
They're dangled. We have 75 sets left.
Okay, this is such a good thing. How many of you would think that you could do a table for $15?
I told them they had to decorate the table for under $15.
Okay.
Using these items. Because we already did some tables, some of the things are already cut down or whatever. $4 section here.
Oh, I hate this.
Now, you guys decorate a table. Yeah, these are 50 cents. These are each stem. It's $1.25.
Oh, each stem.
Each stem.
Oh, wow. So we have how much money for a 15?
Well, I have a credit card, so.
Okay, sure. Just swipe for the rest. You burn $4 to have something to build around. Silver's free. You're cheap.
You're cheap. What did we do? 3, 3, and 2.
Little scarf moments.
No flowers.
No flower. Okay.
Or maybe a single flower.
A single flower. Okay.
Maybe can we do like little, like, where and then, yeah, we do the ones across from each other. It's like,
Yeah.
my brain does not work this way.
Okay.
Finish that.
We add some lights in the lantern.
Oh, yeah, maybe in it? It'll be cool because it'll be like a lantern with
With
sparkles
lights.
inside.
It's a cheap dollar store one.
Well, you'll just have to drape it.
This style. So I'm really good at just making decisions that don't.
And I'm good at it.
Sure.
This looks nice.
This is why you get married to a woman.
That's right.
Who can plan the wedding for you. Mom, you put me in this mess. You can deal with it. No, you said we had forever.
How many more dollars? $3?
Yeah. Like, just lay to
Well, there you go. Okay. Woo! The husband's table. It took you a while, but you got there. I especially like the touch of leaving the price tag. I think that's a nice touch. Of course.
First of all, very classic, very classic.
Yes. You got a lot of color. We gotta stay with you guys. All right.
I was impressed that you set the roses in the proper directions, like opposite.
Yeah. That's very nice.
Vintage.
Yes.
Very
I think it was fairly well balanced for you guys to.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 of those are off. But
I think if you're not setting a table before for this purpose, I think that is true. Yeah. I think if the rose color, you have a different color to work with, but that's what you got.
That's
So,
true.
Good job.
yeah.
Well, we're gonna let Nathan show you pictures of what they did.
Yeah, we're good.